I want to, for you, Isabel, to know when we're going down, we have three type of slides. We have a slide step, we have a backward slide, and then we have also forward slide. So three type of slide. But also we have those, we will call it toe, which is high, toe swivels, which have no slides. And then also we'll have couple Cuban rocks on the straight legs. So we have to find this in routine, those differences. And let me go through routine. I'll show you where you do your slides, where you do toe, where you do like a crossing position. So beginning of Bolero. So this is follow Christine. No, let's do this with the arm style. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we stand up. 1, 2, we check. 3, now we have a backward slide. 4, now you have a side slide. 1, 2, 3, you have a side slide here, slide to the side. Now from here, you have to cross your leg into counter check position this way. Back bend. 1, 2, stand up. 3, 4. Now you have a side slide. This one you miss a lot. Side slide. Now from here, you have a tippy toe turn into side slide again. Now you have a forward slide here, standing up. Now we're gonna hold this position, we're gonna slide. Now again, side slide, and now here's the difference. You go toe, very high position, no slide. Toe, and here normally doing slide, there is no slide here, just side twist. Got it? Now we have a twisting action. Now from here, toe slide into the forward slide. Forward slide, you have a toe, again, high toe into sitting position. From here we breathe. Now we turning out, straight legs. Now here again into sitting position. Now we turn, side lunge. Boom, here, I pivot. Now again, side sliding. Now into the forward slide. And forward slide here becomes side slide. Now going up into another side slide. Boom, into Argentine tango. Now forward slide, back point, and like a passo, walk, back point, walk, turn to the beginning. Yes?